KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
The District Disaster Management Authority Jowai harangkat kajing atrelang mat ka office jong block development officer ka Thalas Kain community and rural development block lemmat ka National Disaster Response Force Guwahati kila penlong nya kajing Jinghikai ka ba arsngi cha ki officer jong ka district ba ki pajba nong shnong jong ka shnong Nartiang Nartiang monolith garden Kumno ban Ïarap ki parabreu haba wan ki Jinglynshop na ki bor jong ka Mariang jagan kajing Jinghikai kepada long haka arpu sautrik ban haka arpu santrik un hailber arajar arpu la penlong kat kum kikindon jong ke National Disaster Management Authority.
Mock drill meraksi kan long jipin gede jipi. Bon, pin skongtho. What is disaster and how do we tackle in ladaja ba kawan kita ke disaster? Right? Okay. Yeah, you get the point. So this is it might be just a kind of a drama which we enact today. It might be just a kam kende ong pi na sa tin snong ng pi untuk kam kende ni man ka kam kende tang ba. This will be an example for us that when we go back from here, we go back home, we need to ilagi bahing Basamba. That kind of program has been conducted today apo Nartiang, but we learn something from there. All right. Tu kiba Ïarap ye gitu ngiti biki gumki first responder. Bikin mau kata responder response tadang ipenuan na kakitin kasi jongi kemud nile ai na benda kanu jingja. Mo benda la dar buru citap ciliang ngap. Tapi pihak riak ne that is how you respond. Bila ai that is what is the meaning of response. So first responder kamu gitu kibanding kong kibangat harus jingja kabak kamram ciki bagi dia benle right to itu kinong Ïarap kita ki first responder kat bagi itu kiba mensa bagi dia ki victims right. Okay, now you get the picture.
Okay, before we proceed with the mock drill, I'll just brief what role you will be playing during this mock drill. And this mock drill will hardly take 15 minutes to 30 minutes. In this situation, I would like to brief what the scenario is. Like there is a gathering, and during that time there is an earthquake. Okay, see you see so many big big rock being installed here. So at any time of any point of time, if there is an earthquake, there is chance to be trapped in this rock. So what we need to do, so we'll create a scenario that there is an earthquake that we are with a Richter scales of 7.8 or whatever it may be, that have the capacity to at least check those things. And then in that scenario will be make the victim that been trapped in that this under the rock. Okay? Can you get me the point? क्या बनाएंगे कि earthquake आ रहा है, ठीक है, भूकंप आ रहा है, तो भूकंप दौर में क्या हो रहा है, कोई बंदा इधर एक्चुअली कोई भी पिकनिक नहीं तो रिक्रिएशन साइट देखने के लिए आ रहा था, ये बंदा क्या हो गया था कि ये तितर बितर होने के चक्कर में ये लोग ट्रैप हो गया, ठीक है, because he has been trapped under this rock because of the earthquake. And then after that we have to evacuate them, we have to help them. In simple word we can say that we have to help their life. Okay, लोगों को जान बचाने के लिए कोशिश करना है, तो क्या करना है, we have to we'll make a team, search team, and then we will go and search, and then they will evacuate from that place to medical base. This is the medical base. You have to evacuate. We'll be giving you the equipment. Like actually for school students, you have we conducted program yesterday. You don't learn, but still then we'll provide you improvised stretcher. With the help of improvised stretcher, you can collect the victim and bring the victim in medical base. Okay, that's the task thing you have to do. And even the villagers. Is the villagers that yesterday you already learned how to carry, like 2 men 2 hand, 2 men 3 hand. Okay, you can apply those techniques to evacuate the victim from the places to medical base. And then in the medical base, the doctor will look after them. If he can handle it, it's okay. If not, then we'll order ambulance, and then with ambulance, we'll shift to higher hospital or whatever suitable. Okay, this is the scenario that we are going to do.
तो घुमा के लाना था ना ये स्ट्रेचर निकाल
डॉक्टर कहाँ है स्ट्रेचर लगाओ
खोल दे
स्ट्रेचर हटा लो लेटा के
लेटा लो
cái răng tan rêu mốt và cái mốt là cũng nó thì là bộ phồng một mốt.
Actually, there was a small simulations regarding the earthquake. Earthquake we cannot predict at what time or when it is coming. Okay, earthquake may come at any time. Not only earthquake, any disaster may come at any time, at anywhere. That we cannot predict. Okay, so this is something a simulation. If earthquake happen or if any disaster happen, what you should do and how you can help your other friend who has been entrapped in that disaster. Okay, so this is something a small simulation regarding the earthquake that we have shown to you as well. We have met you done. In this way, in future, if things happen, first thing what you should do in earthquake, you have to evacuate the place where if it's a danger zone. You have to try yourselves to leave the place and try to stay in the open area so that you may not get hurt. Okay, and then if your friend is not coming, supposed to come with you, are not supposed to be with you, but that if they are not coming, your family are supposed to be with you if they are not feeling. After that, you can go and search in this way. Okay, and you can help. Okay, this is a small simulation apart from with and Ïarap along with this is called West Gentia Hill Disaster Management Authority. I believe that you learn something, and in future, if you happen to be in that situations, taking this scenario, you can help yourself as well. You can help your family and your friend.
Session kini drill kini tam ka rehearsal ngaso comment cisa ya ki kena jangkaram Krishna ki watlada phi khamyo ya ka training ka babyang ru pilala ban ak ya kini ka drill ngai khuble ki Jinghikai. I really would like to the students as well as the teachers, the principal of Ram Krishna Mission for in such a short notice you have been able to participate and to take part in this program. Though you have not received any training, but you have performed very well. So thank you so much all the students as well as the teachers. Ngai khublei ru ya ki officers ki balapalat por knang bandan benta bandan rekat badni gajingdan jompi ka I'm in semini what ladak ni ka drill ka long tam ka drill ka berat ni expect bangin sa perform ngin sa let lang ka way ka big mega mock drill but ki officers hakaba ni laban penpa but i ka role in different departments during disaster ni laban pelong i kata ka kunja drill for district headquarter itself di nakalian jangaru ngadan sa kaway ka request bang iko aban pelong iko aban I training ke bakhamha ye ke Ram Krishna mo miss iko aban I ke training ke bakhamha ye ki students baro hi jong ke Ram Krishna ha ka bang in sa request pi bangin wan hi sa school jong pi but in I ke training ke bakhamha pang disaster management so pang ki do's and don'ts during disasters ni hakapa training in rung khambuan ki topic hakapa ki kena can come so to Kumno ban pen pray during any disaster but in sa le ka we ka mok